Turn any no-code idea into a profitable SaaS empire without breaking the bank. Debug smarter, deploy faster. Paste your replit code. Watch Rave fix it before your eyes, no more guesswork. Just smooth, smart validation. Get started now. Why you need Rave AI if you're using platforms like Replit? Replit lets you build, but Rave AI makes sure what you build sells. AI-powered app prompts so you can create apps that solve real problems and attract paying users. Monetization blueprints that show you how to price, package, and scale your SaaS for recurring profit. Traffic and marketing tools built into the Rave AI ecosystem to help your new app reach your ideal customers. Zero wasted time or money. Every feature is focused on turning your app into a business asset that grows. Remember, time is running out. Act now. This discount will not last once we hit our limit. After that, we will be charging $297 per meter to use our software. To be honest, it will still be worth it. Disclaimer: please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion.